Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first we should launch the settings application, and after that tap on the personalizations. Here you will see the always on display section. Click here once, and to activate it just click once on the switcher. We can here switch the display options just to activate it in power setting mode, by schedule just to set the start and the end time to show the AD, or also all day. Then just click here to save, and now let's just lock our device, and we can see that we just successfully activate the always on display feature on our device. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.